Right. Dani, sigue.
Es que yo pensé que era por programa.
¿Cómo se puede ver? Es el que está arriba.
Ahora que es por la hora que se está.
It's so delicate, isn't it? The tender things.
I'm thinking that food again.
It's transparent as well, isn't it?
I want to poke it and like eat it.
Yeah.
Look at that one at the top. Wow.
It is.